Hey there, it's Susanna from Metro by T-Mobile. Today we're unboxing one of our most affordable 5G devices, the REVVL V Plus 5G, available exclusively at T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile. A feature-packed 5G smartphone with a big bright display, a powerful processor, and a long-lasting battery rocking T-Mobile, America's largest and fastest 5G network. Let's get started. The REVVL V Plus 5G features an incredible 6.8-inch HD Plus display with a 20:9 display ratio. It's powered by an Octa-Core Processor, perfect for streaming and multitasking. The REVVL V Plus 5G has a large 5,000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging. Snap awesome photos with the REVVL V Plus 5G's triple camera system and its 16-megapixel front-facing camera. You even have the option to unlock your phone through facial recognition or with the Fingerprint Sensor integrated into the power button. The REVVL V Plus 5G runs on Android 11 out of the box, has 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage with a MicroSD card slot. Now in the box, we have the new REVVL V Plus 5G, documentation, SIM pin, a USB-C charging cable, and a fast charger. There you have it, the new REVVL V Plus 5G, available exclusively at T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile. A big bright display, powerful processor, and long-lasting battery all on T-Mobile, America's largest and fastest 5G network. For more info, check out your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store or metrobytmobile.com.